Good day. Today, we will be learning about indefinite integrals. What is an indefinite integral? If there is an indefinite integral, there is a definite integral. Here are their definitions. The definite integral of f of x is a number and represents the area under the curve f of x from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. An indefinite integral is an integral expressed without limits and so containing an arbitrary constant. In short, definite and indefinite integrals look like this. In comparison, you see that definite integrals have limits, which refers to as a and b, while indefinite integrals have none. What are the various applications of indefinite integrals? You have three: displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Why do we study indefinite integrals? Simple, because it lays the groundwork for a definite integral. What mathematical skills are needed in order to solve antiderivative problems correctly and more efficiently? You need problem-solving skills, both deriving and integrating skills, algebraic skills, and trigonometric skills. Now, I will show you an application of integrating indefinite integrals by answering this life and social science sample problem. Environmental science. Consumption of natural resources. World consumption of silver is running at a rate of 20 e raised to 0.02 t thousand metric tons per year, where t is measured in years and t is equal to 0 corresponds to 2008. A. Find a formula for the total amount of silver, S, that will be consumed within t years of 2008. B. When will the known world resources of 570,000 metric tons of silver be exhausted? Silver is used extensively in photography. First step is we write our equation, which is S prime is equal to 20e raised to 0.02 t. We integrate using I7 because of the base e. Now, 20 is a constant, therefore we can bring it out and only integrate e raised to 0.02 t. We let u is equal to 0.02 t in order to use I7. No coefficient should be on the exponent of e. Now we get the derivative of t, which is du is equal to 0.02 dt, and divide both by 0.02 to cancel out. S prime is equal to 20 integral of 0 e raised to 0.02 t times du over 0.02. S is equal to 20 times 1 over 0.02 times e raised to 0.02 t plus c. S is equal to 1000 times e raised to 0.02 t plus c. Now that we have the formula of S, we can already answer the given questions. First, we have to find the formula of silver. At t is equal to 0, we can assume that no consumption of silver has yet to be done. Therefore, S is equal to 0. Using the S that we solved for earlier, S is equal to 1000 times e raised to 0.02, we can substitute t, which is 0, plus c. Now we substitute S, which is 0, is equal to 1000 times e raised to 0.02 times 0 plus c, wherein c is equal to negative 1000. And the formula of silver is S is equal to 1000 times e raised to 0.02 t minus 1000. Now we can answer the second question. When will the known world resources of 570,000 metric tons of silver will be exhausted? When t is unknown and S is equal to 570,000 metric tons. Here we will use the formula that we have solved for earlier, which is S is equal to 1,000 times E raised to 0.02t minus 1,000. We substitute S with 570,000 metric tons, which is 570,000 is equal to 1,000 times E raised to 0.02t minus 1,000. You transpose 1,000 to the other side, and you will have the sum of 571,000 is equal to 1,000 E raised to 0.02t. In calculating for 2t, you have to solve for x in your calculator, and you will have t is equal to 317 years. Therefore, if t is equal to 0, which is year 2008, if t is equal to 317 years, it will be year 2325. You will just have to add 317 and 2008 to get 2325. The known world resources of 570,000 metric tons of silver will be exhausted on the year 2325. Thank you. For comments and suggestions, please just comment below. Thank you for watching.